To accelerate growth, revenue operations must unify data, tools, and processes across marketing, sales, and customer success. But the volume of unstructured data generated across a modern B2B buyer journey has scaled far beyond human processing capacity. The traditional solution to this data overload is standard CRM automation. It operates on deterministic logic gates, rigid binary rules designed to execute specific tasks. For example, a system is programmed so that if a deal reaches the proposal stage, it automatically creates a follow-up task for the sales representative. While these deterministic rules execute their predefined steps flawlessly, they operate entirely blind to context. They cannot interpret nuance or adjust to unexpected variables. At an enterprise scale, this rigidity causes critical buying signals to be dropped. What was originally designed as an efficiency engine calcifies into a rigid bottleneck. To solve this, artificial intelligence is forcing an architectural shift in RevOps. We are moving from deterministic task execution to probabilistic intelligence. Probabilistic intelligence is the ability to analyze vast historical data arrays to predict outcomes, prioritize actions, and protect revenue. To understand exactly how this new architecture functions, we are going to deconstruct a complete AI-powered corporate revenue lifecycle. In a complex B2B environment, rule-based automation creates a persistent disconnect between the data and the reality of the deal, leading to misallocated resources and missed signals. This diagram maps the full B2B customer lifecycle, from initial lead capture through to post-sale expansion. We begin at the top of the funnel, where raw data first enters the system. Before any predictive scoring can occur, the AI architecture requires a pristine data quality layer. The system autonomously executes lead-to-account matching, deduplication, and contact enrichment. An AI agent identifies that IBM UK and international business machines refer to the same entity and instantly standardizes them into a single clean record. Traditional rule-based models attempt to score these leads using human assumptions, such as assigning 15 arbitrary points to anyone with a director title. Probabilistic AI scoring discards those assumptions entirely. Instead, it analyzes historical conversion data to map incoming leads against previously successful clusters. The AI might discover a hidden parameter, for instance noting that leads from mid-sized healthcare firms, who attend 2 webinars within 7 days, carry a 90% probability of becoming a sales-qualified lead. High accuracy at the top of the funnel requires combining a self-cleaning data foundation with relentless historical pattern matching. Advancing down the timeline to the opportunity phase, the sales cycle actively begins, requiring a much deeper level of automated intelligence. Once a high-fit lead is routed, the AI architecture shifts its focus entirely from predictive scoring to generative enablement. Generative enablement replaces hours of manual research by automatically synthesizing CRM history, buyer intent signals, and recent company news in a unified view. This synthesis directly outputs targeted account briefs and personalized outreach drafts to the sales representative before a conversation even takes place. During and immediately after the sales interaction, the system utilizes natural language processing to summarize the discovery call.
The NLP extracts critical variables like budget parameters, specific pain points, and decision-maker identities, and logs them directly into the CRM, bypassing manual data entry entirely. In the background, a continuous process called opportunity scoring monitors the health and momentum of the pipeline. This scoring mechanism relies on measuring current deal velocity against established historical benchmarks. Consider an $80,000 deal that stalls in the proposal stage for 45 days. As email engagement drops and the close date gets pushed back, the system detects a severe velocity drop. The AI immediately flags the deal as high risk and prompts the sales manager to investigate the delay. Generative enablement and opportunity scoring remove subjective gut feelings from pipeline forecasting, replacing them with an objective, evidence-based probability matrix. We now advance to the final phases of the timeline, closed won and renewal/expansion, marking the transition from customer acquisition to customer retention. In this post-sale environment, the AI engine shifts its operational objective to predictive maintenance. The system begins monitoring entirely new data inputs, analyzing product usage rates, login frequency, and support ticket sentiment. To predict churn, the architecture continuously compares the behavioral patterns of active customers against the historical markers of accounts that have previously canceled. If an account fails to complete onboarding within 30 days or experiences a sudden 40% drop in daily usage alongside negative sentiment tickets, the system generates a severe risk score. Conversely, the system models expansion probability for healthy accounts by tracking positive engagement signals. If an AI training client reaches 90% of their usage limits while their HR directors browse cybersecurity materials, the AI identifies clear cross-sell intent. The system then surfaces a highly specific expansion recommendation to the customer success manager well before the official renewal date approaches. An AI-driven post-sale architecture eliminates surprise churn, converting customer success from a reactive support center into a proactive revenue protection unit. Zooming out, we can observe the entire interconnected RevOps ecosystem, from top-of-funnel data standardization to post-sale predictive maintenance. AI in RevOps operates as a continuous, closed-loop system of data enrichment, predictive scoring, and generative action. Operating an engine with this much leverage requires a strict operational counterweight, AI governance. These AI models are highly sensitive systems, vulnerable to producing disasters at scale if left unchecked. Ungoverned AI can execute automated spam campaigns, prioritize biased scoring models, and inject hallucinated data directly into your financial forecasts. This necessitates an absolute non-negotiable rule within the architecture: human-in-the-loop validation. Sales representatives must review generative email drafts, managers must authorize forecast risk adjustments, and customer success teams must verify the context behind a churn score. By offloading manual data processing, this architecture scales human capability and frees the revenue team to apply their judgment where the machine cannot. The most profitable and durable revenue organizations will be those that engineer architectures where AI processes the mathematical signals and humans manage the actual relationships.